There's a tree known for its resilience. It thrives even in challenging times, bending with the wind but not breaking. If a branch is cut and replanted, a new tree will grow. Known for its powerful ability to thrive even in challenging times is the stunning weeping willow tree. Inspired by the beauty and resilience of the weeping willow tree, we have a gorgeous new crochet top designed for you by Sarah named Babylonica. Babylonica is more than just a crochet top. It's a beautiful wearable piece of art designed to remind you of your resilience. The intricate motifs mirror the long swaying branches of the weeping willow tree, also known as Salix babylonica. Fun fact, the name Babylonica actually came from the mistaken belief that these trees originated in ancient Babylon. I just love the flowy ease of this design. It just sways with the breeze. It swishes, it moves, and it's so light and airy when you're wearing it. The stitches are nice and open, so it's a wonderful piece for layering. And I love how all the little stitches look like little leaves and branches and flowers, and I can't wait to show you how to work them. The Babylonica is designed to be worn nice and loose and flowy, just like the swaying branches of its namesake. But if you prefer a more fitted look, just size down. And if you want more of a cropped look, which I think would be adorable, just work fewer repeats of the stitch pattern before you add the trim. And we can't forget about these adorable fluttery sleeves. They give a little bit of coverage for your arms and some interest while still keeping you cool and feeling beautiful. Overall, it's such a lovely design that's really fun to make and so sumptuous to wear. To make this top, we chose our Rose Gold Moongleam Fingering yarn, the really soft and luxurious blend of cotton and silk. It lends such a nice drape to the pattern as well as a beautiful, elegant shine. And this yarn is hand dyed, so as you're working with this, you can know that someone lovingly dyed this for you. This pattern can be downloaded at ExpressionFiberArts.com. You'll also find the yarn there, and while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. And I am going to be giving away 4 skeins of our Rose Gold Moongleam Fingering yarn that will make any size of this top. If you would like to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know your favorite tree. When you're making this top, you're going to find that it's worked seamlessly in the round with 3 different main types of rounds: stem, branch, and leaf. And each type of round coordinates with the other for a beautiful top that flows seamlessly. And I think you're going to really enjoy crocheting this design because of the unique stitches. There are probably some stitches that you haven't tried before, and I'd be super curious to hear in the comments if there are any of these stitches that you have not heard of before. We're going to start with a stacked treble cluster plus double crochet stitch at the beginning of your round. So to get started, you're going to slip stitch into your chain space, and then we're going to work a chain 3 and 3. All right, so this replaces the first triple crochet. All right, so next we're going to wrap 4 times around our hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to go ahead and dive into your chain space. Go ahead and wrap, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you should have 4 loops on your hook, and it should be looking like this. All right, let's make another triple. Yarn over twice, go under, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we're going to have some fun. You're going to yarn over and pull through 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And that creates this elongated stitch. Kind of looks like a little leaf. Now we're going to work a triple cluster or a treble cluster. So it's basically 3 triple crochets crocheted together, a chain 3, and then another triple crochet 3 together. So we're going to jump over to our next chain space. Start with 2 yarn overs and insert into your chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to stop there. Again, 2 yarn overs, dive into our chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, stop there. You've got 3 loops on your hook. We're going to do it again. 2 yarn overs, dive into our chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then when you have 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. So there's our first triple crochet 3 together. Next, you'll work a chain 3, and we're going to do this again into the same chain space. 2 yarn overs, dive into your same chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again 2 yarn overs, go into the chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops, so we're going to do it again. 2 yarn overs, go into your chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And there's your adorable little triple or treble cluster. Now I'm going to show you how to work a starting or a standing double crochet and triple crochet. So at the beginning of your round you'll need to work these, and also a triple crochet cluster when worked at the beginning of your round. So I've gone ahead and slip stitched into this next chain space. You'll begin with the chain 1, and then you're going to work a single crochet into the chain space. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So there's a single crochet. Now you'll see 2 little legs here. You're going to insert your hook into this left leg, and you're going to work another single crochet. Yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. There's another single crochet. So we've stacked 2 single crochets on top of each other, so that is your starting double crochet. To work a starting triple crochet, you'll continue on and insert your hook again into this left leg of the previous single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, so you created another single crochet. So this is your starting triple crochet. So it just resembles a triple crochet. Now when you're working your cluster at the beginning of your round, what you'll actually do, and I'll just rip out, you're going to start with your standing double crochet, so the 2 single crochets stacked, then work a chain 1, then we're going to complete this little essentially triple crochet 3 together with 2 yarn overs, insert into your chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do it again, 2 yarn overs, dive into the chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then when you have 3 loops, you'll yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that resembles these little leaf looking stitches. So to complete your cluster, just like we did before, you'll work a chain 3, and then you're going to work another cluster into the same chain space just like I showed you. So you're working now a triple crochet 3 together. And then that completes your cluster when worked at the beginning of your round. So there you go. Next is our triple treble stacked leaf stitch. So it looks like this. You're going to have these little leaves with these branches coming out of them, and then a little Y stitch in the center. So to get started, you'll begin with 4 yarn overs, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go ahead and dive into our chain space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over twice, boop and boop, insert into the same chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll do that again, yarn over twice, insert into the chain space and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you should have 6 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 4. So you can see that's basically 3 triple crochet together. And then we're creating a double crochet now with a yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that forms a little leaf with a branch coming out of it. Now we're going to chain 3, and we're going to yarn over 4 times. And we're going to create a triple treble. So yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, dive into the same chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and yarn over, pull through 2. Such a beautiful little stitch. Looks like a little tree. Now we're going to chain 3. And basically we're going to work a double crochet onto the side of this stitch, which will create our Y. You yarn over first. You're going to find the 3rd spiral on your triple treble. So here's a little spiral, there's one, there's one. So right next to this 3rd spiral is this other leg. Insert your hook into that leg and the little loop next to that. So it should look like this. And go ahead and finish off your double crochet. So pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So now we've got our leaf with our branch and our little Y, and then we're going to work this again. So we're going to chain 3, and we're going to yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert into the same chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 yarn overs, insert into the same chain space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. 2 yarn overs, insert into the same chain space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you should have 6 loops on your hook. Go ahead and yarn over, pull through 4, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you have your beautiful stitch. Now we're going to work a lotus stitch, which is so beautiful. I can't wait to show you how to work it. On the actual pattern, you will be working these into this Y stitch here. But I'm just going to jump over here. So you're going to start with 4 yarn overs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to work a triple treble. Insert into your chain space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So there's our triple treble. You'll see all the little spirals here, boop and boop. You're going to yarn over and find the 3rd spiral. 1, 2, 3. So here's that 3rd spiral. Right next to it, so the side of that 3rd spiral, you're going to grab those 2 legs of it and work a double crochet. So pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert into that same place. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There's another double crochet. Do it again. Yarn over, insert into the same space. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So here's the first little stem of our beautiful lotus stitch. We're going to do this 2 more times. 4 yarn overs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert into the same space, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Pull through 2. And again. So there's our triple treble with all our little spirals. Yarn over, and we're going to work our double crochets into the side. So find the 3rd spiral, and you're going to work into this leg and into the little lump on the side. Finish off your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more double crochets, yarn over, insert into the same space, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and 1 more time. Another double crochet into this same space. And this will complete the 2nd little stem of our lotus. We're going to do it again. Create another triple treble. 1, 2, 3, 4 yarn overs into the chain space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, pull through 2. Those are just really satisfying and fun. Find that 3rd spiral, and we're going to work into these 2 side legs of it. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Work into the side legs of the 3rd spiral and create your 3 double crochets into that. 1, 2, and 3. And that completes our beautiful little lotus stitch. Crochet truly always has something new for us to explore. Just when we think we've done everything, nope, it is the gift that keeps on giving. So thank you so much for being here, my friend. Whether you're looking for a nice lightweight top or a beautiful layering piece, I really feel like Babylonica is a project that you're gonna cherish. And I hope you remember how magnificent you are. No matter what happens in this life, you can handle it, you've got this. So have an absolutely marvelous week, and I will see you next week with a stunning pattern that you're not gonna wanna miss. Bye!